So Krishna is looking at them and saying, wow, he's actually very proud of them, just like Govinda Lilamrita, when Mother Yashoda is asking Krishna to adjust his style of dress. When he's going out with the cows, Krishna should wear shoes and he should carry an umbrella. Then Krishna, the little boy, he starts speaking about their dharma as coward men, their varna dharma, and about, says, listen, our dharma is to take care of the cows and to serve them, and so we have to go out with them and take care of them, and we can't have more than they have. The cows don't have shoes and they don't have an umbrella. So we're the servants, so our proper dharma is to serve our cows. So needless to say, Mother Yashoda was very proud of her little Gopal, that, oh, he understands, he's such a dharma vid, and he's expressing so eloquently about the philosophy and the dharmic practice for an abhira, or caretaker of the cows. So you can imagine Krishna is standing now on the banks of the Yamuna under the banyan tree with a beautiful cooling full moon rays dancing on his face and dancing on the faces of the gopis, and very attractive, most attractive, enticing and romantic scene that could ever be imagined in the universe. And Krishna is looking, oh, because they're devotees. Oh, my devotees, the gopis, they know the philosophy very well. They really know Krishna consciousness. I think they must have a Bhakti Shastri degree. They must have gone to the, Gopi HE or whatever, and Gopi HE, Gopi HE, whatever. And he's looking, oh, it's really, I thought they could just dance and sing and play the veena and kiss and hug and be great lovers, but they're philosophers. And actually, what they're saying, I don't know what to say as a comeback. I was like, they're right what they're saying, because I am the Paramatma and they should serve me. Actually, everything I was telling them was actually jut bolo. Everything I was telling them was actually lies. And I'm supposed to be the Parasatyam, Satyam Sundaram Shivaram. They glorify Bhagavan as Satyam Shivaram Sundaram. And I'm speaking galakt, I'm speaking lies. The gopis are saying, when you're saying this, you don't know philosophy, man. You're not very Krishna conscious. You don't even know tattva. It's obvious that Krishna himself didn't go to get his Bhakti Shastri.